Welcome back and continuing the news. A police youth club is expected to help maintain peace in a Manchester community that's been murder-free for 5 years, despite a spike in murders in a neighbouring community. Krista Campbell has that story.
It gives me pleasure to declare the Broadleaf Police Youth Club officially launched.
More than a social club, the Broadleaf Police Youth Club is seen as a vehicle to steer young people of this Manchester community away from a life of crime. Broadleaf has been commended for having no murders for the past 5 years, even when its closest neighbour, the community of Land Settlement, grapples with a spike in murders in recent time. At the recent Youth Club launch, Deputy Superintendent Melecia Morrison, who delivered the Area 3 Commander's message, stressed that investing in young people is a critical part of the fight against crime.
True community security doesn't begin when the locks are on our doors. It begins when we open our hearts and we extend our hands to our community members, those that are troubled, those that are in need. It begins when we assist our youth and provide a safe space for them to grow, for them to have a voice to speak, and for them to lead.
The Broadleaf Police Club, Youth Club, must therefore become more than a meeting place. It must become a sanctuary of opportunity, a center where respect is cultivated, talents are nurtured, and character is refined.
And more than just police responding to crime and residents securing their properties, the youth were told to view safety and security as a state of mind.
If we have very strong locks on these doors, would you still feel safe if you were locked inside with someone who was the threat to you? What if the threat was a broken family, a broken relationship? What if the threat is inside your head? What if the threat is depression, explosive anger? What if the threat is hopelessness?
DSP Morrison said in these situations, persons will have to look within themselves for their own protection and solution. Now, while noting that far too many youths are being drawn into violence and other negative influences, the police stressed the importance of mentorship within the Police Youth Club, which they say will also improve their relationships with residents.
So if you are in the club and someone expresses that they're having struggles, and you note that they may be a risk to themselves or someone else, this is the time to speak up. And this is one of the few opportunities where you should be breaking confidentiality.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.